In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Airtable extensions. If you're diving into the world of Airtable, you might be familiar with the essential features it offers for managing data efficiently. However, extensions are a powerful way to enhance the capabilities of your Airtable experience by integrating additional tools and functionalities tailored to your specific needs. Let's walk through how you can seamlessly add these extensions to your Airtable workspace. To begin, you'll want to access the Tools menu. This is conveniently located in the upper right corner of your Airtable interface. Clicking on this will open up several options for you to choose from. It's the gateway to customizing your Airtable setup to suit your project needs. Once you've opened the Tools menu, the next step is to click on Extensions. Doing so will lead you to a space that hosts a variety of enhancement options that can augment your Airtable's functionality. The Extensions panel is where you can explore different tools that integrate directly with your base. Now that you're in the Extensions area, your next move is to click on the button that says Add an Extension. This is your starting point for browsing through available extensions. Here, you'll find a multitude of options that cater to different functionalities, from analytics, communication, to project management tools, all designed to make your workflow smoother and more integrated with other applications you might already be using. When you've identified an extension that meets your needs, it's time to select and add it to your workspace. You do this by simply clicking on Add next to your chosen extension. This action will incorporate the selected extension into your Airtable base, ready for you to configure and use. Before finalizing, take a moment to consider any specific configuration or settings that the extension might require. Some extensions are plug and play, while others might need a bit of customization to align perfectly with your existing workflows. It's also worthwhile to revisit the extensions panel periodically to discover new extensions that Airtable and its partners may release, which could further optimize your data management tasks. Adding extensions to Airtable is a straightforward process, but the true value lies in experimenting and finding what combination of tools best supports your workflow. Remember that Airtable extensions can transform how you handle your projects by automating tasks, visualizing data more effectively, and connecting to other essential apps you use daily. Being open to trying various extensions will help you maximize the potential of your Airtable setup. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has empowered you to expand your Airtable capabilities efficiently. For more tips and tutorials on leveraging Airtable to its fullest, stay tuned and don't hesitate to explore this powerful platform.